Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. We're going to go over some basic line dance steps so when the choreographer or the teacher calls it out, you feel confident. This one is called a coaster step, like a roller coaster, right? It's a coaster step, or you're coasting. I'm not quite sure how they came up with it, but you're kind of coasting while you do it. And this count is usually a 1 and 2, or a 3 and 4, or a 5 and 6. So it's 3 steps, and the counts are usually 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And it's called a coaster. So and it can be done on the right foot and the left foot. So let's do the right foot first, from the side. And I was always taught it's a back, back, forward. Back, back, forward. But then, oh my gosh, I saw some dances and they do a forward coaster step, which is forward, forward, back. But the most common is back, back, forward. So we're going to start with our right foot and go back on the right, step on the left, forward on the right. So right, left, right. Or it starts going back, 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 forward. Or a 1 and 2. It's a coaster step. My friend thought it was a corkscrew step. Well, could be, but it's a coaster step. So we're going to start on the right foot, back, back, forward. One more time, back, back, forward. Okay? With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Good. Okay, from the back, we're going to do a coaster step on the right foot, and then we'll practice on the left foot. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, coaster step. Back, back, forward. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 with counts. 1 and 2. Good. So it's a slow, quick, quick. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now let's try our left foot. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to try our left foot. Not always done on the left, but it could be. So it's good to have it under your belt, a coaster step. So back, back, forward. Back, back, forward. And each count gets a step. 1 and 2. On the left, one more time with words first and then with counts. So we're going to go back with the left foot, doing a coaster step, a back, back, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, back, forward. Otherwise known as a coaster step. And then with counts, it's 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Good. From this side, coaster step with the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, back, forward. Back together, forward. You can also think of it that way. Back, put it together, then move that in the left foot forward or the right foot. So it's left, right, left, or right, left, right. That's a coaster step. And forward, it's the same thing. Forward, forward, back. But get the coaster step going back first, because that's the most common and most popular. Thank you. Practice your coaster steps. They're fun.